What's going on? Blake here with Trade Tracer. As always, none of this is financial advice. Always trade and invest at your own risk. Let's get started here. We have the S&P pulled up here on a daily time frame, and we are trading in no trend territory. In no trends, the number one priority is preservation of capital and year-to-date gains. And as long as the price holds above this cloud, I will remain bullish longer term. So you can see, come back to the 50 SMA to the bottom of the cloud, bounce. Come back to the bottom of the cloud, bounce and bounce. Held up a support many, many times here, here, here. And this most recent pullback, the week of OPEX, I said expect volatility. We got that. And you can see Thursday gap down to reverse higher, than Friday gap up and run into the close. And we actually closed above the top of this cloud, which is simply the 10-period moving average. And the NASDAQ showed some relative strength. So we do want to see tech lead. I like to see that. Ideally, we need to see the NASDAQ break above this previous high and then bull flag 1, 2, 3 days and then make a push higher. That's when I'll get aggressively long, is up in this area. We can start to get long above Friday's high. If we close above Friday's high, that would constitute an uptrend. So those of you that follow the system, it's a very simple system. It's ruled by price and trend. And simply, if we get above Friday's high, I'll be looking to get long the NASDAQ. Some things that I'm watching this week: crypto still looks really strong. Bitcoin still looks really strong. Specifically, you can see I alerted price strength confirmation back above the June 28th high. So above here is confirming price strength. So very, very high odds to take this on the long side. So if you did get long, you're still long, getting paid. Similarly with Ethereum, you can see we had a trigger at the 2200 area. Same thing, flag above the cloud and just took off and ran into one of our key levels. No surprise there, right? Ran into one of our key levels, backed off, and now we're back above the cloud again. So Ethereum as well, I do like. Once again, always depends on your investment time horizon, your risk profile. These assets are not for everybody. If you are trading them, I do recommend trading the actual physical currency, not a Bitcoin trust like GBTC, I think, and also ETHE. Don't recommend those if you're going to trade. I do recommend actually trading the currency on a proper exchange. What's going on with precious metals? Gold's still doing nothing, not really giving us any edge, more bearish than bullish. And let's also take a look at the bonds. Got to always keep a close eye on bonds. Bonds are still looking pretty bullish. We're flagging above the cloud, and I do think we did hold the 200-day moving average. Let's take a look here. We did. So we held the 200-day moving average. The 50 crossed the 200, so you got the golden cross on bonds. Still interested to see if we can get back above this island. So you've got two lower highs so far, but we are bull flagging above a cloud, and we do have a golden cross. So keep a close eye on bonds. They do look decent here. They could potentially make their way into either the trading playbook and or the investment portfolio if we need to get into some different assets. So once again, to wrap it up here, the S&P is still in a bull market, right? The cloud is still holding. These pullbacks are being bought. In these pullbacks, there's simply buying opportunities. So if we get above Friday's high, that will get me long again, and I will ride that trend versus Thursday's low. So that's pretty much the way I'm playing it for the NASDAQ. What I ideally would like to see is a couple candle closes above the previous high and just kind of consolidate in this area and then make a move higher. So that's really what I'm looking for the NASDAQ. Hope this video was helpful. See you guys in the open. Take care.